Good morning, everyone. Have you ever wondered multiplying numbers using subtraction? This is Crisanto Domingo, Head Teacher 3, Pedro T. Orata National High School. Ganito lang yan. Multiplying numbers by 9, 99, 999, 9,999, and so forth and so on can be easily done using subtraction. Paano? Note that 10 minus 1 equals 9, 100 minus 1 equals 99, 1,000 minus 1 is 999. So makikita nyo, lahat ito ay powers of 10 minus 1. So umpisahan natin sa pinaka-simple. Yan, si 8 times 9. So ang unang gagawin, ihiwalay natin si 8 at saka si 9. Tapos, minus 1 tayo kay 8. So 8 minus 1 equals 7. Itong 7 na ito, isusubtract natin kay 9. So 9 minus 7 equals 2. So makikita nyo, yung 72, yun ang sagot ay 8 times 9. So 8 times 9 equals 72. Next, 57 times 99. So again, paghihiwalayin natin si 57 at saka si 99. Again, si 57 is minus 1, which is equal to 56. Again, itong 56 na ito is isusubtract natin kay 99, which is equal to 43. Meaning, 57 times 99 equals 5,643. Another example, 693 times 999. Same procedure ulit, 693 at saka si 999 paghihiwalayin, tapos minus 1 si 693, which is equal to 692. Again, itong 692 na ito, susubtract natin o ibabawas kay 999. Yan. Which is equal to 307. So the answer for 693 times 999 is 692,307. Isa pa. Number 4. 1,874 times 9,999. So, paghihiwalayin natin ulit sila, and then, minus 1 ulit itong una. So, 5,874 minus 1 equals 5,873. And then, isusubtract natin si 5,873 kay 9,999, which is 4,126. 9 minus 5 is 4, 9 minus 8 is 1, 9 minus 7 is 2, 9 minus 3 is 6. Therefore, 5,874 times 9,999 equals 58,734,126. You can check this out in your calculator, guys. Salamat!